Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Winter Vacation Homework 2020 for Class 8th. Read the following chapters of novel, The Railway Children, and you should be able to read and respond to the text by answering short questions. Identify the speaker and the listener. Write a character sketch of the characters in the novel. Write summary of each chapter in your notebook. Do complete this task by 11th of January 2021 and submit it to the subject teacher. These are the names of the chapters of the novel: 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th. So you need to read the novel and you need to complete this task, right? By 11th of January, you need to write the summary of each chapter and submit it to the class teacher. Alright? And these things will be done in the classroom. Alright? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.